This video is about being honest with you. If you're coming up in the creative space, weddings, events, like as a photographer, videographer, and you don't have money, you need to watch this video to the end, because we need to find ways for you to grow without getting depressed. Right now, Nigeria is very hard, so you need to be very calculative on how you move and what you do with your time. So let's get it. The first thing you need to do is you need to find a skill most people need in the space you're going into. For example, photography. If you want to go into wedding photography, there is a space that wedding photographers will always need people to fill in. And that space is what? Lightman, and guess what? Photo book designers. Photo book designers. Every wedding photographer needs a photo book designer that is good. And this is the thing there. You can learn photo book design with any laptop. Just make sure that the laptop can take Photoshop for a start. And if you have access to get album designing software like Smart Album, Fondy, among others, you can train yourself to become really good with that. Just go online and find series of pictures and arrange them. You can go online, you can learn how to design a wedding album. It's very easy. Yes, just have to take your time and learn. That's one space photographers will always need people to fill. Lightman and what? And photo book designers. So if you can do photo book design very well, you would get someone to work with. For me, I will pick a photo book designer over a lightman. That's me. Yeah. It's better you now design a photo book than you learn how to hold the lights. So I need you more. Yeah. So you can do photo book design. You can be my lightman. If you want to be a wedding videographer, I will say learn how to operate a camera. Yeah. Learn how to operate a camera. Learn how to shoot when you need to shoot. Learn how to communicate with people. Right now, you can go to a good video training school and learn how to shoot, not editing. How to shoot. If you want to learn how to edit, you need to get a good system. So, learning how to shoot first is key. You don't have to own the gear, but please learn the basic things: aperture, ISO, shutter speed, frame rate, and you're good. Your angles, you're good. Don't need to kill yourself. That's the truth. Because I want a wedding videography business, and I know for sure if I need someone to handle a camera for me, like the second camera, I don't need you to be like overly experienced. I need you to just be good, to know when to cut, when to shoot, when to communicate with me, and when to know what to do. And that way, you know how to work on your exposure. You're making sure that it's not too bright, it's not too dull. You have balance. You know how to ask questions. I say, okay, this is not happening well. What can I do? You don't just don't overlook things. Just put your mind into it. Because right now, it's so hard. I'll tell you the truth. You need help. You need God's help. Yeah. Because industry is so bad right now. Like, we've had a lot of people come up, to pretend to be all saint and good people, and later they end up being bad. You don't want, and people are like tired of it. Like, oh, I'm sorry, Baba, help me, please help me, this, that. And you give them a chance, and they go ahead and they just misbehave. So people are actually fed up of the whole thing. Like, okay, now it's not about just giving you. What can you give me back? If you're lucky and the person you are going to be like working with can employ you, fine. If they can support you, fine. That's fair enough. You just need time to grow and you'll be okay. Because right now things are hard and no one is talking about it. They're telling you that buy gears. Why should you buy a gear of 2 million naira or buy a gear of 1 million naira when you know that your chances of getting people to really bring you closer to them is slim? It's not a good investment for me. I'll say no. I would prefer you rent and you learn how to use those gears than buying. So that's the thing there. If you don't have money and you want to start wedding photography, it's going to be hard. You need to find a way to rent for a start. And if you want to work with somebody, you need to find a way to learn a skill like photo book design, how to direct, how to hold the light well, and also content creation. Yeah, because of TikTok and Instagram, a lot of photographers will be doing BTS. So you're good. And that's the thing there. Just try to survive, please. God will make a way for everybody. I'm sure. But right now, it's very hard out there in Nigeria. Just try to survive and stay strong. That's it. So, wish you all the best, man. I know the same. It's hard right there, but God make a way for all of us. Yeah. So stay blessed.